Ngena yedwa ziyakhala. Hayi.
Oh.
Also. Anginiboni la. Oh, hayi, see you now. You guys are coming. Yebo. Hello, Bravo. Hi. Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Yo. Hey, sorry, guys. I'm gonna speak English, but now I have friends even from other countries. So let's speak English, but in case if I run out, I just know that it was not for me. It's a budget. Yeah. Oh, ubani ozitha kumahayela uthi inkabi yami. Hi, Bravo. Hey, linda mkhonto ngilinde ngilande zami nakho Bravo P. Guys, I'm just waiting for you ukuthi ngireach 1,000 la. I wanna be a shot. Hey, izolo mpahla. Yeah, guys, let's start here. I just want to say, guys, yeah, I'm happy, man, and I'm free. And I'm back. I can tell what time is it now. After a long time. So guys, I'm free, I'm back, and me being free is because of you all. I like to say, guys, thank you so much. You guys been amazing. You guys, I came for the second time, so I didn't expect to feel like corner. So you guys, because if you came for a second time, it's always like people waiting what you can do. So for you guys to believe in me and giving me that platform to, also to rewrite my story and the redemption, you guys changed my life. You guys changed my life, and hey guys, I appreciate you, man. Hey, I appreciate you guys. And I hear someone say you're tired. It's better than my tired. Guys, I'm tired. I've been speaking English since after the show. Been speaking English, saying apparently, as you saying, marvelous, hey, too much. But all I can say is that it's all happened because of you, and I love you all, and I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys can hear me right now. Can someone tell me that they're hearing me? Because I'm seeing a lot of comments. Probably the friends of that. Yeah, we are the biggest brand ever, the last man standing, and thanks to you guys. We all send them home, finish them, and we did open the doors, and then guys, please, and English depleted. It's a question, man. It's been a question. Guys, like, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Thank you with the gift of stars. You guys are doing much. I love you guys, and I want to say, guys, I appreciate everything. So I'm gonna mix English and Zulu, guys. I don't understand the person. No, at my subtitles, like, hey, come on now. And thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. You guys changed my life. You guys gave me confidence. And for the fact that you guys did follow me on my social, and I see the numbers there. And please, guys, I know even the brands right now, they're starting to say, if you want someone, just mention their names. Please, guys, push Bravo P whenever. I'm here, I'm back, I'm in charge. Very important. So guys, keep pushing whenever, and I promise everything's gonna be exactly the way you guys want to. And the king is back. Bravo B, the king of the jungle, is back, and thanks to you all for making me that. And I love you so much. I'm back right now, guys. I promise I'm gonna be on my social. So yeah, all I want you guys to remember is that with Bravo Bees and Bravo, you guys told me that thina izinto siyilungisa ngothando. We address things with love, and we don't cause any harm to anybody. Let's spread love, uthando lunye, and let's be kind even on the comments. Let's not fight. Let's be united. Let's love each other. And thanks for that gift of love, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the stars. Appreciate whatever the guys gave me. It's too much. It's too much. Imagine. Yeah. So thank you, guys. Let's just asithandaneni. Yeah, sihloniphane ngama-comment, singabi harsh. Sazi ukuthi sonke silapha ngokuthi siphushe into enhle, phushe izinto ngothando nje, sihloniphane sisodwa, sithandane, sibe mnandi, and singakhi lento yokuthi fan base kodwa sakhe family. Siphinde sisizane sisodwa futhi. That's very important. And I want you guys to know that I know ukuthi budget yami yezinto eziningi eziphansi. Yeah, and ningakhohlwa guys, like ni-subscribe la ku-Facebook, and then nikwazi ukwenza zonke izinto ezenziwayo lapha yabona. Kuningi nje lapho, ni-subscribe lapho bafowethu. And yeah man, as much as the English budget is always low, but the confidence is on a high level. So I love you all, and thank you guys for as soon as you guys doing. There was my account being shared. I want to confirm that was my real account. Yeah, and that everything that was shared on my page, it was legit, and I appreciate everything that you guys did. That's what you guys are doing. And also I want to also confirm the account that says S-Team Kiza. I know those people. Those are the bees. That account is also a real account. So that's the two accounts that I just confirmed right now. S-Team Kiza is a real account, so I confirmed that. And also the account that was shared on my social media is also a real account. So thank you. Those bank details are legit. I only know two. I just confirmed that now. And thank you so much, guys, what you've been doing. I appreciate it. It's time to work. Thank you for the stars, guys. Stars now. And now I'm ready. I'm open to work. With my emails and stuff for business purposes. Sorry about that. Could them with my number. Please check that in my bio. And sorry about that. Yeah, guys, I love you so much, and you guys have been amazing. Yeah, people. Oh, another thing before I forgot, guys. Yo, guys, sorry for not giving that. Yo, guys, hey, lalelani phela, I'm tired, man. Yo, yesterday phela ngenza ama-interview awu-21. Imagine, English from in the morning. Not like I have to speak English to my girlfriend. Imagine, and I have to speak English to the interview. That's too much for one man. No. Ending ngiyabonga kakhulu, and I hope you guys can hear me clear. Hey, I saw ukuthi ngikhulumele phansi. Okay, I see people, they say the sound Bravo, siyakuthanda yezo Bravo, but ngiyathemba ukuthi uGrandis, I'm good. I really hope this page is monetized. Yebo khona lokho yikho impela kona amandla. Uthando promise ukuthi bafo. Where's trist? Hey guys, ukhona imama likhona lisathe shwi ngasekhaya. Lizobuya lapha. Hey, saphumule English isikashana. Yebo. Thanks for the stars lapho ku refill makosha month. Thank you so much. 99 stars. I will finishing. We're opening the door. Finish. And I like the fact that, guys, and I want you guys to understand one thing. We might not even like win 2 million, but it's win the biggest prize ever, the freedom. And you guys made that possible. Like, guys, I've been like looking everything on social media right now. With this bottom bars, you guys, Nina, and strong and jealous. So I like to say I appreciate that, and I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Ningabuka lama comment, guys. We miss you. Nkosini Bravo P, Pearl Mashozi. We miss you. I miss you too. We miss you, Bravo. Hey guys, I miss you too. I did think I'm half per minute to me, but I appreciate that because I hear people like suggesting Bravo. We need to go to a reality TV show. Oh, another English. Hey guys. Hi. Say hi to Ntombi Mhlophe. We love you guys and I miss you. Yebo ke yebo Ntombi Mhlophe khona. Guys, thank you also supporting that movement and I appreciate everything. 99 stars kuza kithi Zondo. Hey mama, you're finishing everything. Finish. Yeah, I love you guys. But why lang ngibukeka ngemnyama guys because phela been working so hard ngama face wash. Yeah, wona impela ngithangile. Hey, okay. So ulindile kwanongoma with 20 stars. Ubani loyano Andiswa Mthembu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I'm coming home. Unowedla mina uthi yamfana. Yebo sis. uJessica Zenokuma sehlo nginikeza ama 20 stars. I'm finishing. Finish. Yeah, okay guys, let's just sibuyele lapha na ku bottom 3 but imagine and safika sa top 3. You guys did it. Yabo lapha ni technology nisebenzise. Waphela lapha besiphathi kakhulu but you guys just went from, sorry about that. Guys lapha na sisuke ku ma top apanga ku top 3. Ku bottom 3 to top 3. I will finish it. And the food is ku 4 days. Sisilana ke manje ma final days. And bonke futhi saphenduka sabe last man standing. Awonke amajita sawasende ekhaya sawafinish sawahambula kahle kahle. Finish. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. I'm happy guys. Actually ngabe ngikhuluma ithi yeah. Uyamemeza ubaba ke nthule wemadoda. Ngoba ngeke ngilale nogaze ngumzala wami yena. Ngithi hayi intombi emhlophe. Anivumi ngithule into ekhwasha. Nina njalo ngidayisa. Uyakhanya kahle. Oh, bathi awunalutho bafu uyakhanya. Ngibone ngathi manje lana ngade ngidlala elangeni. Thank you ku Waters Mami for the stars. Let us zonke ama stars we finishing. Finish. Thank you with the stars guys. Now we have like 1929. Angazi ukuthi ama stars yini kodwa ngiappreciate ke le ngibona. No issue with I am a star. The last man standing, the king of the jungle, the biggest bee ever when no moto shaba. Ngiyabonga swear. Yeah, the last man standing, the biggest bee ever. Bebecabanga ukuthi baye vele baqeda finish. Umduduzi iqhawe serious face sesibhorekile ngaphandle kwabo. Ufuna ngiboye. Boya ke manje. Game 3. And guys, the only thing that I also want to mention before, because when I get too excited, amastars amangashi uPenny Ngubane, Silindile Penny Ngubane, finish them with the stars. Finish. Thank you. Abantu futhi lo uKahleho uJubilant. Hey mama, sorry ngokugeja lapha esibhedlela. Kodwa nje I like to say thank you so much. I appreciate it. You just gave me stars. Right now we're sitting on 2,170. Imagine. Uwezi ibhelekazi Ntuli uthi Bravo P. We are the bees. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Usiya imbongi yakongwane. Umaqhuda eqana kazaqiwa ubani kamzazela. Lalela-ke wena izinto zenzile lapho. I appreciate kakhulu wenkabi asiqedile umdlalo usaqhubeka and thank you so much because everything that you were saying when I was there is exactly so Usiyayimbo ngiyabongwana ngithi nje umfoka baba kwande. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngwakwethu wena. Guys, so thank you so much, and thank you so much. I don't know, like, why with a slow connection, like, hey, yeah, the internet lena kade kuyisilalishe phana. Usondra Jembe send me 20 stars lalela. We finish. Guys, like, I'm still also reading comments, and also I want to just say Zinde Balegile first. Okay, let me start here. I like to thank everyone who supported me. I like to thank abantu engibukela kubo, the role model, the celebrities who was pushing me. Umhlonishwa Thume, ngiyazi baningi, but can I just mention those that are still here because I don't have the paper. Ngithanda ukubonga ku-President Omabhinqa uNgizwe Mchunu, uhlonishwa. Ngiphinda ngibonga kumhlonishwa ubhuti uKhuzani Mpungose, ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti omdala. Ngiphinda ngibonga kakhulu kumhlonishwa uMthandeni SK, ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti omdala. Ngibonga kwintaba yaseDubai. 365 days ungenaplan, akusiyo umdlalo lo. Yeah, ngimentionile umhlonishwa President Omabhinqa uNgizwe, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, nabanye bese and also I would like also to thank the actors, everyone in the media, even the Zalo cast, Uzalo cast. Thank you guys so much. Yo, ngiyabonga kakhulu, and ngisazonibona nonke like face to face. Ngizibongele ngumfana phambi kwenu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. You guys changed my life. You guys made it possible for me to rewrite my story, and I appreciate that. Yeah guys, ngibonge ngey'tala lapho. Manje sesihleli ku-2,822. We're finishing. Finish. And ngithanda ukubonga guys, it was not easy. I always say that it's easy when you are watching, but when you are there in the house, it's a different story. And for me to hold on that, and yo, man, like I said, I might not like putting 2 million, but it's only biggest price of which is freedom and my voice. Yeah, and I love that so much, guys. I'm gonna be ngoba phela ngisakhathele yabona kuningi, bengijust ukuthi ngize la kuzoconfirm ukuthi sengiboyile manje, noma yini eyenzeka kuma-social media mnazi ukuthi kunesandla sami lapho ngikhona, kuzo zonke iy'nqumo ey'khona imina lo. So ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ngiyacela futhi ngiyanigqugqumezela ukuthi nibe nami kulesi sikhathi. Lesi sikhathi engikusonela ngidinga khona kakhulu. At this time that I'm at is where I all need you to be with me and support me, and I appreciate what you guys have been doing, and I just want you all to be here, and thank you so much. Okay guys, ama-comment asemaningi manje. Yeah, whoever mentioning usamovele kuqala. How are you my brother? Where's umakoti? Like I said, umakoti usathi ekhaya ayongibika ukuthi ngikhona. So decide amayibuya kugodini, but everything is alright, and I love you guys so much. Ngimkhaya into ebengiyikhankasa Shembe uwezibhelele. Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Cha, numbers don't lie. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, asisuka khona kukude kakhulu. I am so happy for you mfana wami. I'm so proud that you please stay as you are. You will be blessed. Uzodwa Maphumulo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma. UTebogo, Teddy Bear, ovela ngilethela nje ama-stars angabaleki, yazi into evele kuthiwa etc. So thank you so much. We finish. Ubani futhi lo wama-stars laphana. Wish you all the best. Bravo B, Umoto Shabang. Thank you so much. My lovely boy, my Prixie. Guys, I don't even know how to pronounce this Prix, but I see you guys 8B. Bekusengidinga ukuthi Trix yabo ngoba seni-8 uB nje. Advocate Minenhle Ngubane uthi bold siswami, and I also want to say ngiyabonga. Thank you so much izinto ozenzela. I can't wait to meet up with you. Advocate Minenhle Ngubane. thank you ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi wami mina nawe sisazohlangana yazi siyakhala ungamkhohlwa nowelile nowelile Mchunu hawu Nkosi yami ngoba ngisho guys khona lento le enzala ukuthi ngisanda kuba nefone so okuningi angakakuboni so ngisamishina engisakubonile for now but ngicela ukubonga kubo bonke nabanye engababalanga ngoba nisho nje uwelile Mchunu ngiyabonga sisi omdala ngibonga kakhulu ngiyabonga and futhi ngimthanda ngothando olwesimanga and I can't wait ukuthi nginibone nje ngihlale nani nginibonge nokungemukela nje nokungimukela nje kubalekile uphindile Mary Dima ngobani uthi Bravo P this is infringement angekuva ukukhuluma kancane guys akaze ngiyithole ngisho imic infringement in the house hayi le phone phela le phone lena ngithole le nje ngifika this is a big brother Bravo P freeze awu hayi man what never true uthando lunye bafuza uThapsini Malunene thank you Shame ukhathele bhuti wethu yeah I am guys volume halala P Nation guys I don't know why ningangiva but I'm trying so hard ukuthi ngikhulume kakhulu but I promise ukuthi kwenye live elandelayo I'll work on that yeah ngizo-edda lezinto lezi ezifakwa lapha I promise I'm gonna add something here in the equipment so that you guys can hear me clear because I feel like I'm too close because I'm trying to you guys to hear me but I can still mabo phela angizwa njani manje lalelani ngiyanithanda kabi halala P Nation please guys thank you so much nangu Thokozane kaMahlaba Gama ovelwa letha amanye ama-stars finish njengamanje we sitting on 3,481 stars imagine literally all the best bafo ushunulu Mapundu thank you uhambile uye ekhaya yebo ngisafuna ukuzophumuza ikhanda but I'm working okay talking about going home I just want to confirm that I've been busy with social runs and stuff and doing interviews but I'm going home tomorrow Thursday penilendile ngiyalenda kusasa ngiyalenda kusasa I'll confirm time I'm gonna post it on my social well but ngiyalenda kusasa ngekhaya kumbule ekhaya lapho engizalwa khona umfana so yeah I'm going home tomorrow I need that I just need to yabona ke ngibonge edlozini ngibonge uNkulunkulu ngibonge kumdali ngibonge kuyidalo so yeah I'm going home tomorrow and thank you so much and guys another important thing I hope you guys can hear this because it's very 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 important I want you guys to I'm a brand and I want you guys to understand one thing and one thing only is that even if you're top 5 doesn't mean that you're gonna get burned and it's always depend on your fans so guys I need your help to push me when it's come to that please guys there's a thing that's going on right now like Chiller's Punch they asking who you guys want to have a brand ambassador guys please put my name there because we need that everything actually I want you guys to open all the doors and we're finishing everything yeah we all send it home please guys even on Twitter I'm a hashtag guys please let's trend let's be on #1 I trust you guys we will come a long way so please guys let's push on that ngicela yini izwami emhlophe mina lo ngicela mina lo yithoba ngaphansi kwenu and futhi ngisho lokugcina ngiyawa recognize ama account awu2 that they've been used under my name as Team Khize ngiyayazi lo account those are the B's and also the one that was posted on my social media I also recognize that one so thank you nezinto esenzenzile thank you I see you guys ngiyabonga kakhulu, because right now I'll be reading amakhadi, but I feel like ngodinga ukuthi ngiwaqoqe wonke all together then start reading them. Yeah, maybe later today on under social media. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate abo advocate mina enhle ngubane. Guys baningi ke manje abo Vusi Macale people, everyone. Appreciate you guys. I've seen you guys been pushing a lot and ngiyabonga inhliziyo yami imhlophe. Guys, abo Chillers Punch guys lapho ngiphushe la. Phela kuze siqede yonke le Chillers. Niyazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ezimnandi bezenzeka lapha endlini. Le Chillers idlalile indima. Hey! But I'd like to say thank you so much, guys. You've been amazing. Like I said, I was just coming here. I hope you guys are laughing. Did I make a joke? Freeze, well, no, guys, make sure freeze, freeze, you guys are comment. Okay, guys, the only thing that I'm gonna say, thanks to Tobeka Sitole. We love you, bravo. Namasters, let's say up about 3,992. Finish. Thank you so much. Yes, pussy now. Nyabonga Kolo case. Yes, and a bravo. Nyaganjan Bafu, do that. Please, guys, please. Let us push in. Nyazu good in corner. Nyazu good to win and Tampa Wednesday and Gillen Fisa Nayo. But then echo. But seven always man. The team, guys, let's appreciate them. Let's come here, let's work together. Let's not in English, let's not criticize and yo. What? But what I'm saying, guys, let's just with God everything is possible. Thank you so much. Let's sing a lot on Thursday and Saturday. You let Chillers. Guys, hey, let's appreciate the Chillers. Hey, because now there's something that I'm watching. Like, where Chillers? Where Chillers? So guys, yeah, we need that Chillers brand ambassador deal like we really do. Someone say uphila hamon madlingozi. Madlingozi naye put kosi masibongela kuye. Uphila madlingozi. Hayi inkabe yami le. Ndiyaxelela kutheni. Ndiyaxelela phila madlingozi inkabe yami. And ngizwile ukuthi he want me to do music video. Lalela. Acele ngikhona. Khala bani. I'm there, Madlingozi Upana Mdala. You've been here, you've been supporting me behind this, and thank you so much, my brother. I'd like to thank even the ex-housemate that I was with on Siamosha for supporting me. Thank you so much, Nina Nonke. Hey, my actor, my content creators, my influencers. TikTok. It's too much. It's too much, but yeah, man, like I said, I'm back. So I'm gonna reply. Come comment that you guys. Please let's engage, guys. Like let's work on that. Guys, there's no such a thing that if you are in top 5, things gonna be flowing. You need to push to get those things. So please, guys, sacela nje ukuthi sibambisane. Yeah, ngiyamuza omunye ulindi mthi ukhuluma ukuthi the handler issue Lord. Angiwazi ama issues engwatholile into engayisho nje on that. It's like let's work together, let's asibekezelelane bafethu. Sengibuyile ngithi ngikhona. Ngiyazehlisa phambi kwenu bafethu. Asingabi harsh, asibe zingane zandawonye. Ngicela kakhulu ngenza ukuthi ngikhona nje manje. Ilwani nami nje nakho ngilapha phambi kwenu. Nayi Prix, hey guys. Phila Hamon Madlingozi has been there kusukela, and that's the truth. And thank you to him. Market was fully behind you, and he's my friend. Who's about fully behind who? Because he was supposed to be fully behind me. That Kekelezo, that's my friend. I'm my bro. And I appreciate him, you know that. Those are the first person that I called after. And Pumi, Labo Papa Ghost, Young Papi, all them. Abo Willie, everyone. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. I know that, yeah. Thank you with the stars. Some get precious. Appreciate that we finishing. So guys, everyone, my face like everyone in. Yo, I can't wait to think in Alama Hero. Amanye bengidlala ingoma zawo Big Brother House. I can't wait for those moments, and ngiyathemba ukuthi inkosi yami bazongivumela ukuthi ngibabone. So yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, njengamanje bafethu sengiready noma yini bafethu uma ufuna ukuletha izinto zebhizinisi, go to my bio, find my email, just write an email there, be professional, so that nami ngizobelieve ukuthi lento ngibizela yona legit. And guys, please just let's work, guys, let's work. Sofika ngisho emshadweni ngizoba MC, ngiyakutshela. And guys, another thing I'm sure you all wanted to know what guys, I'm going for acting, but I know it's gonna take time because there's a lot. Ngisazoshaya audition nami ngifanele na wonke umuntu, but I believe that I got this, so I'm gonna keep pushing because uBrabi, guys, I will finish that one. And I write and I direct and angadisa futhi na kwi hip hop zobabhalela bafowethu. I'm a writer, you can come and write, but I don't think I can rap, but I can write though. Yeah, as long as whatever that you're saying makes sense. Yeah, guys, and ngizonibona kusasa, angingakhona ukubabona yabo. Ngibona kusasa, ngiyalenda bafethu. I'm open, I'm there. Ngizobe ngikhona, khona omunye unobulunga phakathi noSiyayimbo. Owakwethu lo bekho nje umuntu nje. Owakwethu impela lo uyazi impela, ngiyambonga kakhulu, ngiyam-appreciate. Uzanini kwamasho bravo, ngoba ngithi ngiyalenda nje kusasa ngizobe ngikhona. Ngeke ngikhohle ukuthi bangenzeleni nase-hostel, so appreciate everything, guys. Please ngingakhohlwa ukusubscribe kuma-social media ami, subscribe la Facebook. Ngiyanithemba kakhulu. Your handler was very good, polite and very interactive. Well done to them. Yayibona comment ebengiyidinga ke. Appreciate it, guys. I think ihandle yami mfethu ngihambela phela, ngikhumbule ngihambela especially Facebook, ngihambela ngino 15k followers. Hey manje ngiyacheck manje 100. So guys, kubongwa nje mfethu, bonge mfethu, appreciate that. So ngiya-appreciate kakhulu. Baba phakamisa ifoni awuzwakali. Ubani yebo. Ubhuti wama-fridge. Lalela webhuti, ngiyakubonga konke okwenzile bhuti omdala. Ngithi nje inkosi ibe nawe kuso sonke lesikhathi. Ngwakwethu wena. Umaphinde mbathu uthi danko, wavela waniletha nje 50 stars. Finish. Guys, angathi sengiphuma kanje. I would like to say thank you, and so you know, guys, YouTube is coming. I'm also working on creating my own channel on YouTube. It's also coming, and I hope you guys gonna support me on that. I'm still working on the content. I'm gonna, but so you know, ngeke ngisuke screening sakho, ngeke usangikhohlwa ke manje, ngoba mina njengamanje ngizoloku ngi-live ebusweni bakho because ungikhombisa uthando. So for that, I always appreciate. Ngiyanithanda guys, ngithanda kakhulu, and I promise ukuthi i-light, phone and everything is alright later. But like a Facebook, guys, you guys show love, and I appreciate you all, and I love you all. And I'm not only talking about people from South Africa, I'm also talking about people from other African countries, Nigeria, Lesotho, Swaziland, Zimbabwe, Ghana. I like to say, guys, I love you all, guys. I might not mean even Cameroon, whatever. Every African country that they were on Bravo B, we did it, and thank you so much. Guys, and for those who want to do a meet and greet and stuff, please stay on my social media. I'm gonna give an update, especially tomorrow, with when am I landing and stuff like that. I'm gonna share on my social media. And thank you so much for wanting to see me when I land, guys. I appreciate that. I love that. That will make me feel good, really good. I'm feeling good, but yeah, that's one. And thank you so much. Okay, let me read this one. Okay, I must be an MC. Yeah, guys. And so you know, guys, if someone is we talk about this. If someone is writing a negative comment, let them person shine. Let's reply with kindness, because always kindness win. For the fact that that person came here on my life and comment, that means that person cares about me. It's just that he's lost a little bit. So let's help him to come back home. Because the truth is, join us or watch us win. That's the truth of it. And okay, we are taking 5 words of advice before I leave. Guys, can you just give me maybe some advice or everything? Because guys, I feel like you guys been saying a lot on comments, on posts, but right now you can just tell me what you want me to do now. I'm just giving you a platform. Start with Ulindim Team Kulmolot. Pick up. Let me see. Say, well, big up to all your team from admin to handlers to the fans to channel alone. I love that. Kohlongo Bravo biggest is for hi guys, I said. Hi Bravo. No negative comments, please. That's what we do. We miss you. You're beautiful. War. It's love, baby. It's love, baby. It's a beautiful war. But for Segutandi and Tando, I mean, you are loved, Brabri. Oh, Brabi. Yeah. Okay, let me just we miss you, Brabi. You are loved. Oh, Nompumelelo Mzila. Of course, Chanesi Tolo, we miss you. I miss you, guys. Yes, let's all enjoy Bravo B. Sinawa boat, Gushulungi, Mabaso King. It's a quack. We should put it on the window long to block the noise. Opening the doors. We block the noise, opening the doors, and we take everything and we finish it. If you had coming here with a negative vibe, we send you home. Fast, quick. Come to Limpopo. That's what I want you to do. I'm coming. Actually, I'm coming everywhere. Oh, I'm coming. Just that sometimes I'm still working on a budget, guys. Yo. And to do all these things, we just need a budget. So I'm still working on that. I hope it's over grand soon. The advice that you love and protect to Trixie. That's a mission. That's a mission. Love and protect to Trixie. That's a mission. Thank you for that advice. We'll support you all the way we got you from PMP. Thank you so much. King of the Jungle, thank you so much. Inhlonipho umphako ongaboli ungavumi ukuphila ngezinqumo zabantu. Thank you so much. Buyani mfisenhle uthi awe bravo. Ngiyeza lapha hostel. Caca ngikubona ukuthi wena ngiyeza wenkabi. Thank you so much. We love you Bravo B. I love you all. Prixie to the world. Noma kanje asengiqamanga ama. Okay, number 2. Okay guys, sorry about that network issues. Yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you. Very best I love you so much guys. I'm gonna see you on other social. I hope after this live guys, if you guys did subscribe and follow the page. Thank you so much. Yo, I'm also exhausted, but it was all worth it, and thanks to you guys who made it possible. Sibahambulile mfethu besidoubt sabuya ngamakapa dress finish because being real is important, and thank you for that. Yeah guys, yo sithole freedom sabuya nomakoti kuningi too much, so thank you so much guys. Ngiyanithanda. Ngizokulala kancane ngithatha ishampu ngilala because amashawa ngabhaxaza kulezi insuku. So thank you so much. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu Bravo lo mfana ongayidli pizza. So you know guys, I just want to confirm once more time that I'm back on my social and those account ST Mkhize. I know that account and the account that's been posted on my social, and I also know that account. So thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I need your help. I need everything. And ngingakhohlwa let's meet on Easter. Ubani Easter on Instagram. Isikhathi lapho ubani mfana omdala ngo 3 PM. Ngo 3 PM sohlangana lapha Instagram. Ngiyathembisa ngizobe sengithe uyiphopotha nakancane. Thank you so much bafethu, ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu abe nani. Ngibonga kubo bonke abantu abangisupportile. ngithanda kakhulu nami ngisanda kufika nje phela guys yo ngiyafika nje yeah guys, and I love you all guys so much. I just got a message right now that someone is joining this live. Yeah, let's wait a little bit and see who's that. And I appreciate all of that. Let me see there. Let me touch here. Okay. Yeah, boy. And guys, ngibonge le ka Rose and Choji. Okay, now ngifika baba.
Hey yo, we are back in the land of the living.
Uyandiva?
Ndiyakuva.
Ndiyakuva.
No, kupushekile. Ndithi makucelebrate intombi zethu ezimhlophe. Makucelebrate intombi zethu ezimhlophe.
Hayi intombi emhlophe.
Masicelebrate intombi zethu ezimhlophe.
We're finishing. Wethu.
Yo, dala yami.
Baba ukuthi khona umsebenzi okwenzile obufuna ukuthi sibe khona kade ngithola nje ama message.
Yeah, mfethu. Khona sizothetha. I'm working on something. In fact, mna qala umfazi wami likhalati eline-tattoos mina qala. So bengihleka nje. The whole time ithi yo.
Mfethu.
Amara kumnandi lapha. Kumnandi lapha ya.
Kuyahlaleka mfowethu.
Kuyahlaleka ntwana, kuyahlaleka uzobona guys 6 months.
Wena phila. Laphethu into engifuna ukisho ngoba even nabantu lama ama supporters they've been like uphila ukhulume kanje bravo sicela ukuthi because siyafuna ukuthi sinibone like they want to see us like so I'm saying this in front of, thank you for being on this call, and I just want to confirm that even though we haven't sit down and talk, but I just want to confirm here in social media with me and Pila and Trixie, we're gonna be doing the thing. So yeah, and I appreciate that for to be the part of whatever that you are doing, and we appreciate that.
Dog. I was so happy. After, remember that conversation that we had, room 48, like club encane leya.
Hey, and izinto zayibheda mntanami.
Ayibheda.
I'm sitting there and no one was talking to me and you came. And you were like, wena ungalokhu uyidabukisa la. Ngeke umuntu ozolokhu enaka ukudabukela, you need to work.
Yeah.
And man, it did happen. Thanks to God and to my ancestors and everything, man. And thanks to the supporters, man. Here.
Shout out, man. Shout out. I was so happy. I was so excited for you. We are making sure Ungo Wam has Easter ring now. The number one couple in South Africa. The number one couple in South Africa is going to be starring in Ungo Wam, the music video. Sukile Indab. It's a Bali script. That's an actor. He's an acting pricks. Shine any celebration. When are we going to celebrate? We need to celebrate, man.
Yo, I network bashana bamalo. Guys, sorry about that. Let's meet up at 3 p.m. on Instagram, please. Check there, like at Bravo, @Lindo_Bravo P on Instagram. And thank you guys. Me and Pila will continue our conversation there. Thank you, and I also have a surprise guest. And catch me on Instagram at 3 p.m. I'm a surprise guest in here. It's crazy. It's going wild. You can follow Instagram. Please go and follow me there. Ngiyandithanda kakhulu i-network njengamanje ingipha ikhwaya. Let's give it a choir. Are we back? Yeah, I'm here. Bafuze zokubamba ku Instagram, yes. And ngizonibamba ku Instagram, guys. I'm gonna work on the sound and everything. Ngizonibamba ku Instagram, and I also have a special guest on Instagram at 3 p.m. Please catch me there. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. We love you guys. I love you so much. Even a conversation me and Upila, because I want to do it here live so you guys understand, because you guys Upila, he started this with fans, so we're gonna finish our deal here, and that one gonna go with you all. So I love you all, and I'm gonna with Instagram at 3 p.m. on Instagram at @Lindo_Bravo P. Please go and follow me, guys. Let's make this 100k, please. Let's reach 100k, guys. Please ngiyamcela ngandza kwethu, and ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Awufikile Zulu Thokoza, we love you. I love you too much. See you then. Ngizonibona khona, and I promise I might have a few guests there. Yeah, kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. I love you guys. So remember, you see, there's something that says Chillers behind my back. So go to that page and mention Bravo P. We need that. Thank you. Ngiyandithanda kakhulu ne. Nibe right, uBravo lomfana ngayidla pizza namanje lewa nongoma. Ngiyohlezi ngicwele ngani nazo. Ngithi shwa.